This is a CPU simulator for computer architecture. Computer architecture is divided into three sections. There's ISA, that's instruction set architecture, microarchitecture, and system architecture or synthetic architecture. Um, this very part will have 24 registers, right? Have 24 registers, 8 special registers, and 16 general purpose registers. So over here we're supposed to be having from R0 to R15 for our general purpose registers. So over here we'll have CPU instruction in memory, that's RAM. This is our physical address, this is our logical address, this is where the instruction is actually going to go in. Mostly this is going to be for, this aspect is just going to be for the instruction set architecture, where we'll have to do with the move instruction, add instructions, jump instructions, and all of that. So if we were to start a program, this is just where, just on the below here, is just where we're going to type the program name. Let's say probably test one. Then probably the address, you might just want to add 100 or some random address over there. Then this is going to be our general purpose registers. This is going to be our program counter. Then these are actually our flag. This is very necessary where we're making comparison. Mostly it's been set to 1 if the comparison is actually true, it's going to be set to 0. If it's not true, it's going to be set to 1, which is same thing with most programming languages. If your program finishes with an error code, it just ends with 1. If it finishes with no error and everything runs and compiles successfully, it's going to end with 0. This is what this whole flag is going to be working over here. So this is going to be for our compiler. This is going to be input, output. It's going to be the program name after you've done this. So essentially we'll be needing this CPU simulator for all the instructions we'll be writing, all the instruction codes we'll be writing in this computer architecture. Mostly translation from our language or high level language to machine language of zeros and one. This is just more like assembly language. Nothing too serious over here. Nothing too serious. As time goes on, we begin to write programs and instructions. I'm actually going to show you guys what it looks like. So every single thing is just going to be right here. The instruction is just going to show right there. The values are just going to show right here on the general purpose registers. You just get to pick where you want it to get stored. So it might look scary, but it's not necessarily that scary. This aspect, this CPU simulator is just going to be focusing on ISA, that's instruction based, instruction set architecture. Yeah, we'll proceed from there.